Hello kids, how are you? Long time no see. Hope everything's great with you. Today we are gonna learn about magnetic jigsaw puzzles. As you can see, this is a wonderful kit which comes with 5 triangles, 1 square and 1 parallelogram, and using that we can make wonderful puzzles. We can make a cat, we can make a dog, we can make a house. So are you excited? Then let's get started. So basically I'm gonna open the puzzle. Oh, it has a magnet here. And then you have a booklet. This booklet is a treasure house of so many puzzles that we can make. Wow! Do we have a house in here? Is that a magnetic house? Yes, it is. Dun, 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 dun. But how did it get made? Oh, it came inside. Now, let's try and see. You see how colorful our magnets are? Oh, you don't know these are all different magnets? Okay, let me show you. Wow! Boom. How's that? So each of these, this is a parallelogram, a green parallelogram. You see, it has a metal here, a small piece of metal. And this section of our kit is a big rectangular magnet. So what we're gonna do is today we're gonna try and make a cat, and then we're gonna try and make a house. And there are so many other puzzles that you can look at in the booklet, and you can make it, learn, improve your thinking capabilities, your eye-hand coordination, your analytical skills, and become the topper, and have lots and lots of fun. Okay, it's time to make the cat and the house. Let's start with the cat. Let's open our kit. Oh, the magnet. Ta-da! And then this is where the magnetic surface is. And here are all our different shapes and sizes and different colors. So what do we start with? Let's start with the face of the cat. I'm gonna use this square. I'm gonna put it right up here. I'm gonna try to make the ears. Yeah, it looks like the face of the cat. Now let's make the body. See? Am I gonna take the blue one now? And fix it here. Nah, that doesn't seem right. Does this? Yeah, that seems like a better body. Oh, my cat is tilted. Let me make my cat straight. Dun, 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 dun. Da-na-na. Aha! Now it's time to put the tail. Should I put it here? Here? Aha! Ta-da! My cat is ready. Tick, tick, tick. Meow. Meow. Now, let's try and make a house of this puzzle. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. We'll take them all down. What does the house have? A roof? Start with a roof. Then I need the body of the house where there will be a door and a window. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I'm gonna put the blue here and structure this. Oh. Let us try and put this orange. Take the purple. It fits here. Take the parallelogram and put it like this. Now adjust the roof a little bit. Put the chimney. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hope you guys have fun. Like this video, okay? share this video, comment this video, and subscribe. But let me tell you, these magnetic jigsaw puzzles, you can make so many different combinations and you are gonna have so much fun. So, until next time, it's time to say bye-bye!